Come back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab. Once the lab is started, in the description box of this video, I've shared this repository. Come over here, select the entire content, open any notepad, and please pay attention. Okay. Now from here, you can see these are the region. So just copy the first region carefully. Come over here, and from here, you have to simply update the region. Okay. So here you can see this is our first region. So let me just update it like this. Once you have updated the first region, now comes the second region. So just copy the second region over here and just update it over here. Okay, carefully update it. All things are correct. Now select entire content and simply paste over here and hit enter. Now wait for this command to get executed. It will take some time. Now finally you can see all these things are done. It will take 3 to 4 minutes. You need to wait for it. After that, simply check the score. And this is the way we completed the lab. Do not worry, just simply update the region which is mentioned over here carefully and you'll be able to complete the lab.